Good morning! So, kita niyo naman si Mr. Sunshine. Nandyan na. Bakit nga ba tayo ngayon nag-video? Well, something is new, something needs to be documented, and something needs to be shared. Hi dudes and dudettes! It's me again, Nika, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe, paki-like, and paki-share din. So gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo guys yung feeling ko nung finally nakapag-decide na ako. So ito na nga, ang ating unboxing ng ating bagong iPhone 11! Yay! Sorry guys sobrang excited na talaga akong ma-share sa inyo kasi ewan ko ba, I've been an Android user for all my life siguro, ever since I started to learn how to use mobile phone. Kaya ito na nga, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Even though this is not much for others, para sa akin, isang milestone na ito. At gusto ko rin, probably may isa sa inyo na gusto mag-upgrade ng phone and you are undecided kung ano talaga yung gusto mong bilhin. So I hope this video will help you decide kung ano ba talaga. Ito na, pakita ko na sa inyo exactly kung paano natin i-unbox tong bagong baby natin. Yay! Actually guys, just a disclaimer. Na-unbox ko na talaga siya. So this is not the first time na i-unbox ko siya. Ang purpose talaga nito is mapakita ko sa inyo tong video na to para at least ma-experience nyo rin makapag-unbox, specifically kung nagpaplano kayong bumili ng iPhone 11 at hindi pa kayo decided. Kaya I hope na makatulong tong video to para makapag-decide na kayo fully. So ito na nga siya. Ito yung exact unit. Ito siya. And this one is made in the US. Ayan. I hope nakikita nyo yung tama. Frame. So, meron pa siyang plastic cover like this. So, all you have to do is just remove the plastic cover on top. And, ito na siya. At syempre, ayan. Okay. O, diba? Buksan na natin. Tadaan! Oh my goodness. Ito na guys ang unit. Diba kinakabahan pa ako? Let's pull it up from the box. And white yung kinuha natin na unit. What's in the box would be the actual unit. Meron pa siya nito. Ayan. So, ito na siya guys. Nagbukas na siya. Na-configure ko na siya kasi syempre nagamit ko na siya for a couple of days na. Tanggalin natin to. Let's remove this one. At syempre meron na din siyang protector kasi ayaw nating magasgasan ng ating iPhone. So ito siya. Yay! Very sleek. Ganito siya kanipes. Ito yung volume rocks. Ito yung pagka i-configure mo kung gusto mo naka-silent yung phone or gusto mo naka-vibrate. Ito lang yung pipindutin mo. At ito syempre for the audio and for the battery. Saksakan natin pang charge. At ito naman yung ating power hindi ko alam ang tawag. Actually guys, this is the first time na gagamit tayo ng Apple kasi tayo Android user. So talagang hindi tayo masyadong sanay. Inaaral pa rin natin yung mga bagay-bagay. So, ito na yung actual unit. Yay! Then, let's set aside the phone real quick. Also, inside, nandito yung nakalagay yung kanyang power cord. This one. So, syempre, natanggal ko na siya kasi ginamit ko na siya. It doesn't come with the power adapter. So, additional siya. I had to buy this one. 1,190. So, inside, ito siya. Yung regular, adapter natin. Pero this one is a fast charger. Ito siya, guys. Yan. Yan lang siya, guys. And then, what's in the box as well would be yung manual niya na ito. This one. But, inside as well, you will find different languages. Manual, very short and concise. Tapos, ito yung sticker. You can use for your phone to cover some dents and stuff. And then, syempre, wag kalimutan yung SIM ejector, which is very important. So, yun guys. Yun lang siya. That's what's inside the box. Okay? Okay? So, pag-usapan na natin kung ano nga ba yung mga gusto ko sa phone na ito. So, yun, napanood nyo na yung pagbubukas natin ng ating bagong phone. Bakit nga ba tayo bumili nitong iPhone 11 na kulay white? Bakit? Meron pa naman tayong phone, diba? Itong pinamablog natin ngayon. We're usually phone vloggers, as you know, sa mga video ko, lahat ng ginagamit ko. Itong phone ko, majority itong Huawei Nova 5T na na-acquire ko for more than a year na binlog ko pa in the past. Bakit tayo nag-decide na biglang mag-Apple? Na dati Android user tayo. Well, alam natin na double, triple pa nga minsan yung price ng Apple branded products. Pero, we can't deny the fact na talagang good quality siya and may mga features siya na hindi natin talaga mahahanap dun sa, if we are the other way around. So, gusto ko lang talaga ma-share sa inyo. I'm not saying na mas maganda to, mas maganda yan, but this is my own personal opinion kung ba't ako nag-decide na mag-switch. Right? So, ito na, alam nyo na I've been using this as well for a couple of years na, pero hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit kasi medyo bulky. So, I wanted a phone talaga na pwede kong dalhin out in the field, especially when we're doing vlogging. Kagaya nung last video na finisher natin yung meet and greet natin dito sa Lipa, Batangas, doon sa outlet. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, dito yung link natin siya sa description as well. So, ito na nga, ang nangyayari kasi is I wanted a phone na pwede ko siyang gamitin mostly outside and something na, alam mo yun, upgraded na yung quality when it comes to video. And I've searched Google, I've searched YouTube, I've asked friends, diba, ano yung pwedeng phone na economical, affordable, na I can use to vlog. So, this is the answer to the question. So, ito na nga yun. Tatanong nyo, Nika, paano nga ba talaga? Paano ka nag-decide? Ano yung major factor na nakapag-decide sa'yo para mag-go for iPhone 11 ka? Kwento ko lang sa inyo. Ito kasi yun. So, I went to a birthday party, specifically kay paring Nico. Belated happy birthday, pare. So, we went there, celebrated with them, with the family. And then, yun, nasa isang room kami, all of a sudden, we are talking about good cameras and stuff for vlogging, stuff like that. And then, ito si Mare, she and pare silang gumagamit ng iPhone 11. For a year na ata, I'm not so sure. Pero yun na nga, I touch the phone, I hold it, and then I get to feel the video. Sabi ko, patry lang ha, patesting lang kung ano ba talaga yung quality ng phone. Kasi I heard nga, I've been hearing people saying na maganda ang camera ng iPhone 11. Tapos sabi ko, okay, let's go ahead and try it. And then gabi nung time na yon, and so I tried, ano yun, the usual video. And then pag play ko, sabi ko, parang ganda quality na to. Something is with the phone, parang super stabilized siya and all that. Eh ako pa naman, kapag na-try ko, and I think it's really cool and really good, it has good features, doon ako nag-start na curious. So, hindi pa ako magde-decide para curious ako. And so, what I did is, when I went home, nabanggit ko kay Habi, sabi ko, Habi, do you think it's worth getting a new phone? Apple phone. And then, he said, of course, diba? Kung para sa pag-YouTube mo yan, syempre, worth it yan. And all that. Na nga, mga 50% pa lang tayong decided. Pero we wanted to be really sure. Kaya ang ginawa natin, nag-search tayo Google, nag-search tayo YouTube for reviews and from experiences of other users na nga. And nakita ko, mga 2 years ago pa siguro yung mga vlogs. So I was like, what? 2 years ago pa? Pero, nung napanood ko, mas na-impress ako. Kasi, yung reviews nila back in 2020, hindi marunong sa math, 2020, biglang nakita ko, sinasabi na nila doon na the camera is really good and something na po pwede siya sa mga vloggers, specifically yung outdoors, meron siyang wide angle lens na pwede mong gamitin, and so on and so forth. So sabi ko, wait lang, parang maganda to ah. So hindi na nga makakonsentrate sa work ko. Alam mo yun, talagang iniisip ko pa rin talaga na bibili ba or kukuha ba, ganun. And so, yun na nga, basa-basa from reviews and nood-nood ng videos. And finally, after a day, nag-decide na tayo na bilhin na siya. So, yun, nagsisisi ba ako sa decision ko na ito ang kinuha ko or itong pag-upgradean ko for my vlogs and videos? No, of course not. Yes, expensive siya, but definitely worth it. So, yung mga next videos natin is ika-capture na natin from this phone. Right? And, yun. Ano ba yung masasabi ko dito sa phone na to for a couple of days using it? Well, you can't blame me. I've been a user of Android phone for all my life. So, hindi ako ganun kadaling naka-adapt sa mga gestures, you know, and all that stuff. But then again, nasasanay na tayo at when you're getting used to it and you're loving it, masaya. So, yun ang masabi ko. Napakaganda ng experience ko, mabilis siya, and when it comes to battery, matagal din siyang ma-drain. So, maganda talaga siya dahil, you know, we need batteries, we need power, especially pag nag-vlog tayo. And, yeah, I think it's really worth it. So, abangan nyo na lang ang next videos natin kung ano nga ba yung maging experience natin sa mga videos na i-capture natin from this phone. So, there you go. Kung natuwa kayo dito sa unboxing natin na to, at feeling nyo magugo na rin kayo sa iPhone 11, please subscribe to my channel. Please also like and share this video. At definitely makakatulong sa atin yun. So, yun. I hope natuwa din kayo. So, see you sa aking next video. Abangan nyo guys, magla-live tayo probably this coming Saturday. Yeah, Saturday at yun. Not so sure. April 2. So, abangan nyo yun guys, magla-live tayo sa YouTube natin para sa, I believe it's Bully Show, something like that. So, abangan nyo guys dahil definitely astig yun. Okay, I'll see you. Bye!